Hello everyone, welcome to back another new PayPal earn apps. I am sure already 10k download plus app link video description. Please join my Telegram channel. All update share Telegram channel. Okay, first time welcome. I'm just click now app set or reset options. Just click down app set. Okay, first time choose your login your account signing and sign up process seems Facebook or Google. I am use Google. Grant option just click down. Allow use a data permission app set. Okay, permission on. Welcome bonus 1800 coins free. Okay, first time welcome bonus. You need only 200 coins and 20 cent payout. Only 200 coins earning. Okay, I'm just click now future rate options, unlimited offers available, 1 minute use, unlimited. Okay, I'm just click now app survey offer, unlimited apps available. Download these apps and play these apps, games and earn option. I'm just click now welcome to offer wall option, level complete and earning unlimited games point. Okay, and I am use one app per minute 5 coins. Okay, Play Store now. This apps download and install. Open this app. Okay, already install this apps. Open. I am use 1 minute and I am back again now. Okay, and 4 coins earning. I am use 2 minute 8 coins added. Okay, very easily, very simple. 200 coins you need 20 cent payout. I am all premium proof shared. Okay, no problem, 100% trusted app. I am just click down payout options. Okay, 2000 coins 20 cent. Okay, only PayPal available, and 40,000 coins $1, 9,000 coins $1, unlimited earning PayPal cash. This earn app 100% trusted, and one friend invite 100 coins and 25% lifetime referral commissions. Okay, lifetime referral commission 25%. This earn app 100% trusted, 100% legit earning apps. Okay, open my telegram channel link video description. All update share Telegram channel.